any knife, even serrated. And it's not just for knives. Its tungsten carbide blades easily adjust to sharpen scissors, shears, and cutting tools. With its powerful vacuum seal mount, you can lock down the Samurai Pro horizontally, vertically, even upside down. That's why my Samurai Pro goes with me everywhere. Whether I'm on set, at cookhouse, tailgating, fishing, just lock it down, draw it through, and fillet all day. Remember, it's not sharp till it's samurai sharp. Everyone has dull knives. Don't buy new. Let my Samurai Pro sharpen them for you.
You got the hiccups, baby boy.
Get this amazing Samurai Pro for a special introductory price of just $14.99 for shipping and processing. We'll also include my Cut and Cook DVD, yours free. You'll also get a set of samurai shears, one for the kitchen and one for all around the house. A $40